Good morning, dear students. In the last session, we have studied the first order high pass and low pass filters and second orders high pass and low pass filters, and we have solved some problems on that. So next is band pass filter. So what is band pass filter? So band pass filter, it is nothing but it allows the certain band of frequencies and remaining will be eliminated. And the band pass filter is a frequency selector which allows only one band of frequency to pass, and that too between two cutoff frequencies, that is FH and FL. The pass band which is between FH and FL is called band width. The pass band which is between FH and FL is called bandwidth of the filter. It is denoted as BW. So what is BW? That BW is equals to FH minus FL. The FC is nothing but the frequency at the center of the pass band. The frequency at the center of the pass band is called center frequency, that is denoted by FC. Then the total pass band gain, that is AFT. AFT is the total pass band gain of the center frequency, and that is denoted as AFT. But FC is not exactly at the center of the pass band. It is also called as a resonant frequency. The gain of at FL and FH is 0.707 times of AFT. So these there are two types of band pass filters that is classified as based on quality factor. Okay, so that is wide band pass filter and narrow band pass filter. So under the wide band pass filter, if the quality factor, that is Q, is less than 10, then it is called as a band pass filter, is called as a wide band pass filter. It is called as a wide band pass filter. In this type of band pass, we'll get the pass band is wide and we get bandwidth is very large when the quality factor Q is less than 10. The pass band is called as wide band pass filter. When the quality factor Q is greater than 10, the band pass filter is called narrow band pass filter. Under the narrow band pass filter, the band pass is very narrow and the bandwidth is very small. Higher the value of Q, narrower is the pass band. If we are having the high value of quality factor, we are getting the pass band is very narrower. Therefore, your FC is equals to root of FL into FH. So, Q is equals to FC by bandwidth. That is equals to FC by bandwidth is nothing but FH minus FL. This equation shows the relationship between quality factor and bandwidth with a center frequency, that is FC. So next comes wide band pass filter. Under the wide band pass filter, as we have studied, we have constructed the first order high pass filter and second order high pass filter based on the first order low pass filter and first order high pass filter by changing the elements of R and C. The position of R and C we are changing and we are forming the first order high pass filter. This is a first order low pass filter. Based on this, we have constructed the first order high pass filter. We have changed the position of resistance and capacitance in the first order high pass filter. For the wide band pass response, FH must be greater than FL. Then the voltage gain expressions we'll see now. For the low pass gain, magnitude of the gain is AF divided by root of 1 plus F by FH the whole square. And for the high pass, magnitude of the gain is AF into bracket F by FL divided by root of 1 plus F by FL the whole square. So the design steps already we have discussed in the first order low pass and high pass filters, that to be used for the wide band pass filters. So your magnitude of gain, that is V out by Vn, is equals to AFT into bracket F by FL the F by FL divided by root of 1 plus F by FL the whole square into 1 plus F by FH the whole square. So AF is denoted as, AFT is denoted as total pass band gain, and F is nothing but input frequency in Hertz. FL, it is lower cutoff frequency in Hertz. So FH is higher cutoff frequency in Hertz. So and AFT, that is total pass band gain, is equals to A1 into A2. So what is A1 and A2? A1 is gain of high pass selection or high pass section, and A2 is gain of low pass section. So this is a frequency response for wide band pass filter, where the gain rolls of plus 20 dB per decade and minus 20 dB per decade in the stop band. So next comes narrow band pass filter. So already we have studied what is narrow band pass filter, where the quality factor is greater than 10. The pass band filter is called as a narrow band pass filter. It has a following features. Like first, it has a two feedback paths. First one is what? It has a two feedback paths, and second one is the op-amp is in the inverting configuration. You can see it. We have given the supply to the inverting terminal. The op-amp is in the inverting configurations. So due to two feedback paths, it is called as a multiple feedback filter. It is having two feedback paths. So it is called as multiple feedback filters. So by seeing the above circuit, as we have given the input signal to inverting terminal. So the op-amp is in the inverting configuration. The important parameters of the narrow bandpass filters are lower cutoff frequency and higher cutoff frequency. The center frequency and the center frequency AF and quality factor Q. These all relationship of the components with the various parameters are given by following expressions. That is, for simplifying calculations, choose C1 is equals to C2 is equals to C, and R1 is equals to Q by 2 pi FC into C into AF, and R2 is Q by 2 pi FC into C bracket 2 Q square minus AF. R3 is nothing but Q by pi FC into C. So AF, that is gain, R3 divided by 2 times of R1. So that is gain at FC, center frequency. So that must be satisfied when the equation AF is less than 2 into Q square. So by changing the center frequency, that is FC, so FC is the original frequency and FC dash is the new center frequency. So the new center frequency can be achieved by changing the resistance R2. So by changing the resistance R2, we'll get the new center frequency. That is R2 dash is equals to R2 into bracket FC by FC dash the whole square. So this is important advantage, that is the multiple feedback circuit is. So it is having one important advantage, that is your FC can be changed without changing a gain or bandwidth. So without changing the gain or the bandwidth, we'll get the center frequency, or else we can change the value of FC dash, that is we'll get the value of new center frequency. So this is the frequency response of narrow band pass filter. As we have said, quality factor greater than 10, higher the value of Q, will get the narrower pass band and bandwidth. So this is FL and FH. So this is FC. This is the frequency response of narrow pass band filter. So in the next session, we'll solve the problem on wide band pass filter and narrow band pass filter. Thank you.